We turned 16 years old here at the Forex Trading Coach this week. It's something we're immensely proud of, and I'd like to share our journey with you and to see how we can help you to become a successful Forex trader. Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there traders, it's Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 587. So that's right, we turned 16 years old this week here at the Forex Trading Coach. It's something that we are immensely proud of, and it's a huge achievement when you consider the overall opinion of the Forex market. And when I look back to when I started coaching back in 2009, and you look to see who's still out there today, helping people, either coaching or brokers, whatever it is related to the Forex market, who are actively working today and were active back then. There's not many of us out there. So our longevity and what we do, our credibility, I think, just absolute testament to the hard work that goes into doing what we're doing, and also the quality of the trading strategy to have, you know, something that back then was working really well and has continued to, and today in 2025 continues to work just as well on even more time frames and even more markets that we now have available to trade for us. So it's absolutely brilliant that the strategy works so well and has helped so many thousands of people from right around the world over those last 16 years. In fact, we have clients in 108 countries. Now, jump back a few years prior to that, back in about 2006, 2007, I entered a signal service competition where they tracked people selling signals for about 6 months or a year, I think it was. And my strategy won. So out of hundreds, if not thousands, of people selling signals or sending signals to this company back then, I won. And it was a great achievement. I was very proud of doing that. And that then led on to the Forex Trading Coach starting almost by accident. I was contacted by a number of people who were buying my signals, and they said, look, I see you've won this competition. It's great that we're making money from these signals that you're emailing us once a day, but I'd really like to know how to do this for myself. And that was the general overall kind of feedback that I was getting from people. So I jumped on a plane back 16 years ago, flew across to Noosa in Australia. Gorgeous place. Stayed with a family there for about 4 or 5 nights. And I taught the guy how I trade my strategy. And it was really good and fascinating to get that information across to someone sitting side by side with them. Now, to this day, I'm not going to mention the guy's name. He is on my website, but to this day, he still trades, and he trades because he's a very busy person, owns a chain of restaurants, and he's a professional chef. He still trades longer time frame charts, weekly and monthly charts, to this day using my strategy. And that's something I'm immensely proud of as well, because, you know, it's proven to have worked so well for people that they continue to be successful after all these years. And what happened then is when I got back from Noosa in Australia, I then contacted some of those other people who had messaged me and said, look, I've just put together the course. It's been really successful. The guy's happy with it. Would you like me to come and teach you? So I then did a bit of a around the world trip, and I flew across from New Zealand here to Malaysia, down to Sri Lanka, spent about 4 or 5 days there. Absolutely loved it. And then went up to Spain, France, the UK, and then flew back home. And so that was the beginning of the Forex Trading Coach, by helping these individual people who were prepared to have me fly around the world and to teach them individually, sitting beside them, how I trade and how they can trade the same way. So that was the beginning. And of course, over the last 16 years, things have evolved and the internet's got better, and membership sites, and it's just meant that we can offer what we do to so many more people at such a low price. And the quality and everything that we offer has got more and more. And with technology, the price has been able to come lower and lower. So it's actually a win-win for everybody. We're helping more and more people. And over those, that time, more people have helped me and come on board. And we've got Paul over in the US who helps teach people in the US and Canada and on that time zone. We've got Mikolai in the UK who helps with the European time zone. We've got Rio over in Singapore, and we've got Mel in the Philippines. Now, Paul and Rio and Mikolai all have been successful and are successful clients of the course, who have then done so well that I've offered them roles within the company to help teach other people and to help monitor the forum site and to take webinars, etc. Because we're now, not just New Zealand based, we're a global company, and doesn't matter where I live or where you live, we cater for people right around the world. And that's the beauty of technology and the amazing thing with the community of traders that we have built from right around the world, all trading the same one strategy. So where this leads from today onwards for you, if you're new to trading, this is a great opportunity to learn the right way first time. If you've been trading for some time and it's just not working and you're pulling your hair out and you're frustrated and you think, oh, I'm giving up, or just give it one more go, have a look at the course, because as mentioned, it's got so much proof and longevity behind it that you really should do justice to yourself if you've been trading and struggling for a while to give it a go, because this is a great opportunity to finally put all that time and effort and money that you've put into learning, probably unlearn most of that because most of it's probably not good, and learn the way that we trade properly so you can take your trading forward. Now, if you are out there looking at coming on board with us, this is going to be the perfect opportunity for you this week, because on Wednesday, the 7th of May, could be Tuesday the 6th if you live in Europe or the US start time, we're holding our 16th birthday sale. There's a link here. I really encourage you to click on that link, have a look through the page and register your interest. And when that thank you page then counts down on the countdown time to 0, the live page will then appear. Now, the sale is going to give you the opportunity to join us at the lowest price it's ever been in 16 years, and the price will be going up hour by hour. So make sure you find the start time in your local start time, in your local time zone, I should say. Find the start time in the time where you live, making sure you have that right. Jump in, set your alarm if you need to, but get in near the beginning, because that first hour, the price is going to be the lowest ever. And finally, if you're out there looking for a top quality, very high quality broker who we've done a lot of work with here at the Forex Trading Coach over the years, it's Blueberry Markets. I can highly recommend them. They are absolutely fantastic. A great broker to deal with, great people, great platform, great prices, great markets that they offer. I'll put a link here to Blueberry Markets as well if you're out there considering a top quality broker. So once again, thank you for being part of the journey. Whether you've been watching videos like this or listening to podcasts, whether you've been on free webinars, downloaded my calculator, ebook, whatever it might be, if you're actually a client already, thank you for being part of the team and the community. And if you are looking at joining us, click on the link to find out about this week's sale, because there's going to be no better time to take your trading forward to that next level. This is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. Looking forward to 16 more years. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.